Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on how to configure and verify a data filter profile. Basically, a data filter profile identifies and blocks a transfer of a specific data pattern found in network traffic. And uh, when you say specific data like credit card and social numbers, or if there is any internal corporate documents or anything with the keywords, so Palo Alto will identify and it will block the network traffic. So how we can create the data filtering profile in Palo Alto? Go to the firewall and go to the objects. In that objects, there are in security profile you can find a data filtering, and in custom we have a data pattern custom object. So first we need to create a security profile. So first we need to create a data pattern, and then we need to attach that data pattern to the data filtering profile. So go to the data pattern and click on add. So you can provide any test data pattern and any descriptions. So there are pattern type, file properties. Basically there are three properties. So first one is predefined and regular expressions and file properties. When you talk about the predefined patterns, these predefined patterns to scan for a certain types of information like files, credit card numbers, or any security numbers. So when you want to configure a predefined pattern, so it will use the sensitive data when you pick any predefined pattern. And when you talk about regular expressions add a custom data pattern like name, descriptive name, set the file type you want to scan for the data pattern, or enter the regular expressions that defines the data pattern. So when we talk about the file properties, so file properties like sensitive, confidential, or Microsoft documents. So these are all the file properties or PDFs. So use the file properties. So I just wanted to go with a predefined pattern. So I just wanted to use like credit card or any sensitive uh, security numbers, social security numbers. So I select the predefined pattern and click on add. So you can see so many a predefined pattern here. So here is the credit card numbers. So select that credit card number. So it will use the descriptions. Use credit card numbers, US credit card numbers. So file type is any. So you can see a Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, HTML. All the file types is mentioned here. So I will mention any. I will go with any. And after that I want to add a social security number. Yeah, here is the one, and here is US social security numbers pattern. Type is any. Click on add. One more thing, social security numbers without a dash. So different company will have a different country will have a different security number. So file type is any. Click on OK. My data pattern is ready. So I need to go to the data filtering, and I don't have any data filtering profile. Click on add. Provide any name, data filtering profile. Okay, any descriptions, data capture. So basically it will capture the data. Click on add. Click on the checkbox and click on add. So here I can see that my data filtering or data pattern profile what we have created earlier. And this is the application is any. So if you want to have any applications, you can add particularly. And file type is any. So there are so many file types: Adobe, any, HTML, Microsoft Excel, Word, text format. So I will go with any. So direction is both upload, download, or both. So I will go with the download both. So alert threshold is the one, like block the threshold. Suppose if I'm accessing more than uh, uh, if I set the alert, so after that specific like in threshold, so whatever if I access any credit card number, so that will be blocked. So I will mention I want to give only one credit card, and if it is more than one, so then it should block more than one, then it should block the it. So log severity is if you want to select critical, high, informational, low, medium. So these are all the log severity. So I will go with the critical one and click on OK. And we have data filtering profile is ready. So now we'll go to the policies, go to the security, and test the from in this example I wanted to test from inside to outside. So I'm going to attach this through inside to outside rule. Source is my inside, destination is my outside. Application, any application, service is any action. Go to the profile settings, select the profile type as a profiles, and select the data filtering profile as data filter profile. Click on OK. So commit the changes. Okay, configuration committed successfully. Click on close and go to the test PC and tap any sample credit card number. So try to test credit card numbers, and okay, when I open this one, so it's not opening any pages, so let's wait for that, or else let's check the logs whether I'm getting any uh, logs here. So go to the monitor, select the data filtering, and here you can see test card numbers, and here is the data pattern, test data pattern, and it will shows the from my inside IP to outside and web browsing, and reset the both. Here you can see we have accessed the multiple sites. So credit card, so test data pattern. So this is the data pattern. So it's not popping me any error, but the site is not accessible. Still this is also not accessible. So let's go and verify it once again. I got the log here. So any file, it's not providing any file name. Test the pattern. So this is the IP address, web browsing, reset both. Okay, so we have tested the data filtering profiles. So this is the way we can create a data filtering profile. Like first we need to um, define the data pattern, and that data pattern needs to call it in a data filtering profile, and with a threshold and a block threshold limit, and with the severity, and attached to the policy where from where it is like required, like when I'm trying to access this from inside to outside. So we need to assign it to the, we need to attach that profile to the inside to outside rule. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.